Hello language learners, welcome back to languagefy. Today's video is about ChatGPT and its connection with language learning. ChatGPT is the newest addition in AI tool family. This chatbot is like your personal language coach. It is helpful to make your writing, grammar, and vocabulary learning more fun and interactive. For those who are not familiar with artificial intelligence, ChatGPT is a type of computer program designed to understand and generate natural language. It is a robot that can respond to human-like conversation. Let's languagify. How does ChatGPT help language learners? Let's get started. First, among all the benefits, as a language learner, you can practice conversation or practice a natural dialogue with ChatGPT. Let's have a look. Write a dialogue between two players, and the magic begins. Here you can see the full dialogue is here. You can practice with any of your friends or even alone. You can also ask it to have a conversation with you and ask it to correct your mistakes as well. Like, can we have a small talk and you will correct my mistakes in English? And here you can see it becomes your partner of communication. This practice gives you a required environment as a language learner. In this way, you can practice and prepare for job interview as well. Like this, can we have a back and forth interview for a marketing manager position? And here you can see the magic begins. Next benefit is writing. You can master any sort of writing like essay writing, letter writing, application writing, story writing, blog writing, email writing. You can play with ChatGPT as well, like you provide your written samples and tell it to correct. If you participate in debate, speech or story competitions, but no one is there to help you, ChatGPT can help you here. Write down a speech on human rights, and here it goes. Look at that, the whole speech is ready. Write a moral story using winter and nature vocabulary. This is how more fun is to be added in the story writing. Well, you can ask a funny story as well. You can ask to add a joke in the story as well. Basically, you can play with this tool, write a blog on new technology and its effects on life. And here, ChatGPT is on your command. We can also use ChatGPT for meanings, sentences, and pronunciation of different words and sentences. Let's try. What is livid? Here is the meaning. Give me 3 example sentences using the word livid. Here are the 3 sentences examples. You can copy text from here and paste it to any type of text-to-speech software like natural readers, and then you can listen to it too. In this way, we can practice pronunciation with ChatGPT as well. Let's try one.
The coach was livid when the team lost the game.
Another important thing that you can do with ChatGPT is simplifying difficult text or make it more friendly. How? Let's see. Can you simplify this text for me? And here we have the simplified text. Also take help of ChatGPT for improving your grammar and tenses. Let's see how. They plays football, corrected. Here you can see the correction. They play football, subject, verb agreement. They is a plural subject and therefore requires the plural verb, play. Please write 10 sentences using the future perfect tense. And here are the sentences. This is an excellent practice if you are struggling as a language learner. Let's have a look at some miscellaneous usages of ChatGPT. Explain parts of speech. Look at the examples are also given. Then examples of abstract nouns. And you can see 20 examples are here. Can you write a short text using as many phrasal verbs as it possible? And here is the passage. ChatGPT can also translate any extract for you in any language. Like over here, we have translated one in Japanese. ChatGPT can also write a poem for you, a summary for the poem, explanation of the poem, and providing you critical analysis of the poem or any text. Well, ChatGPT is future an insane AI tool with innumerous benefits. It has gamified your learning as if you have Aladdin's magic lamp and the wizard inside is always at your service to fulfill your commands within a blink of an eye. But remember, it can never substitute a real human interaction or conversation, which is our goal as a language learner. So take help from ChatGPT, but don't rely on it because sometimes it gives wrong answers as well. That is all for today. If you like, do comment and share and subscribe as well. Stay blessed.